Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to change fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First you just need to go to settings, and from here you just need to go to lock screen and AOD, and at the very beginning you will find screen lock and biometrics. Tap on it and enter the pin code that you have set it on your device, or pattern, or it could be password. Now from here you will find fingerprints here. Tap on it, and if you already added the pin code that you have added to your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra for security purpose, and you have identified yourself, then you can get into this fingerprints option without any identification or verification process. Now from here you will find a fingerprint. I have already added a fingerprint on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. You can add another fingerprint of your another head, or of any other person that you want to allow to use this device. Or if you want to change it, then you just need to simply tap on it and simply tap on remove, and when you remove it you just need to tap on add fingerprint and then tap on continue, then register the another fingerprint that you want to change to with the before the earlier one. Then you just need to keep your finger at the every single angle until it finished to 100%, like this. I'm going to make it to 100%. Make sure you just enter every edge of your finger to register all the fingerprints that you have on your finger. Now here you can see it has now 100% done. Now simply tap on done, and it has now set it another finger like this finger. I have set it another finger of mine on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. That's how you can change fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. For that you must need to know the security way like pin code or password or pattern to identify or verify yourself as a owner of this device. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.